Good morning, my dear student of class 12th. Today I am going to start your short story, first lesson named The Gold Watch, written by Ponjikara Rafi. The Gold was summary of the story in English. The Gold Watch. Sanku, the main character of the story, Sanku was a laborer in a factory. His engineer was an Englishman. The engineer had a gold watch with gold chain. He used to leave the gold watch on his office table just inside a half-open window every noon when he went out for lunch. Sanku's conditions. Sanku was a very poor man. He was much in debt. He had to pay back money to so many persons. He had no money with him, so he wanted to steal the gold watch. Through the half-open window, when everyone would go out for lunch. But Sanku was a sort of coward. For so many days he tried to steal it, but his courage always failed him. On the other hand, Sanku was very much afraid of the people who wanted their money back from him. As he had no money to pay, he was compelled to steal the gold watch of his British engineer. Sanku's family. Sanku had a wife and two children in his family. They also had to suffer due to poverty. His wife was about to deliver her third child. He had to spend money on the bare necessities of his family. Even that was beyond his means. Sanku's helplessness. His wife wanted ointment for the child. She also wanted bananas for the hungry baby. There was no milk for the children. There was no money to buy these things. His wife needed money for her third baby also, who was about to come. It all made him even more helpless. Sanku stole the gold watch. That noon, everybody had left for lunch. The British engineer had also gone out, leaving his gold watch on the office table. Sanku gathered courage and stole the gold watch through the half-closed window of the office. Sanku's nervousness. After stealing the watch, Sanku felt highly nervous. He trembled. He was badly afraid of being caught. insulted and dismissed. Sanku put the watch back. Sanku was so much nervous and afraid that he put the gold watch back at its place and walked with sign of relief. Now some points in Hindi. मुख्य सार. द गोल्ड वॉच कहानी में लेखक ने कारखाने में काम करने वाले शंकु नाम के एक निर्धन मजदूर को मजबूरी और मानसिक दशा का वर्णन किया है. शंकु चोर नहीं था, लेकिन निर्धनता तथा कर्ज ने उसे इंजीनियर की घड़ी चुराने के लिए विवश कर दिया. किंतु उसकी नैतिक चेतना ने उसे बल प्रदान किया और उसे वो चुराई हुई घड़ी वापस इंजीनियर की मेज पर रख दी. ओके स्टूडेंट, थैंक यू, गुड बाय.